Hello everyone, and welcome to the Coupon Club. If you're new here, welcome and thank you for joining us. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the best deals which you can find at CVS for this upcoming week. And for each of the deals I'm going to be showing you in this video, I'm going to be breaking down and showing you exactly how you'll be able to pick up your items for completely free, under $1 per item, and even a few money makers. So if you guys love low out-of-pocket deals, definitely consider subscribing to my channel because that is exactly what I'm all about here. I love being able to find deals and items for super cheap and then being able to share them with you. Alright, so the first deal I'm going to be sharing with you guys is actually a really great one, and it's on the Aleve or the Bayer aspirins. So they're on sale, buy one, get one 50% off, and if you spend $20, you'll receive an $8 extra buck. So if you were to pick up 3 of the Aleve soft gel 40 counts, which I have pictured here, they're priced at $8.49 each, but remember they're buy one, get one 50% off, so for 3 of them, that'll cost you $21.23. But in the Smart Source on May 3rd, we're expected to get a $4 off of Aleve insert coupon. So you want to use 3 of these, and that'll bring your total out of pocket down to just $9.23. But you'll be receiving an $8 extra buck reward at the end of your purchase, making your final cost for all 3 of these Aleves just $1.23 or 41 cents each. Another great deal that we have going on is on the Serna mini treats. So these are on promotion for buy 2 and get a $5 extra buck. And the Serna mini treat snack bars, the 6 count, are priced at $5.79. So if you picked up 2 of them, that will cost you $11.58. But you want to use 2 of the $3 off of any Serna product insert coupon found in the Smart Source from April 5th. After both of these coupons, your total out of pocket will be just $5.58, but you'll get back a $5 extra buck reward, making your final cost just 58 cents or 29 cents for each of these. And for anybody who doesn't have the insert from April 5th, we're also expected to get a $5 off of 2 Serna insert coupon in the Smart Source from May 3rd. So if you do end up using this $5 off of 2 insert coupon for this deal, just add $1 to your final cost. So with this $5 off of 2, if you were to do exactly the same thing, pick up 2 of these mini treats priced at $5.79, and then use 1 of those $5 off of 2 insert coupons, your total out of pocket will be $6.58, but you'll get back a $5 extra buck reward, making your cost just $1.58 or 80 cents each. Now for anybody who has a $3 off of 2 Serna CRT, you guys will be able to pick up both of these for completely free. So to do this, all you need to do is use your $3 off of 2 CRT, along with 2 of your $3 off of any Serna insert coupons from the Smart Source on April 5th. And after these 3 coupons, your total out of pocket will be just $2.58, but you'll receive a $5 extra buck back at the end of your purchase, making your final cost for both of these completely free and a $2.42 moneymaker. And if you guys are using your $5 off of 2 insert coupon, your final cost will be free and a $1.42 moneymaker. So our next deal is on the Poise Pads, which are on sale for $5.99, and they're also on promotion for buy 1 and get a $2 extra buck. So if you picked up 1 of the Poise Pads, you want to get an 11 to 28 count, just make sure that it is on sale for $5.99. And then you want to use a $3 off of Poise or Depends manufacturer digital coupon, which will become available in our app this Sunday. After this digital coupon, your total out of pocket will be just $2.99, but you'll get back a $2 extra buck reward, making your final cost for this product just 99 cents. And we also have a wonderful deal on some cereal this week. So select General Mills are on sale for $1.99. So if you were to pick up 4 of them, that'll cost you $7.96, but you can use a $2 off of 8 breakfast CRT, 2 of the $1 off of 2 General Mills insert coupons found in the Smart Source from March 29th, and a 50-cent off of General Mills app-only digital coupon. After these coupons, your final cost will be just $3.46 for these 4 boxes of cereals, or just 87 cents each. We also have a great deal on the Speed Stick deodorant, and they are on sale 2 for $6, and if you buy 2, you'll receive a $2 extra buck. So if you were to pick up 2 of these, and you can buy either the men's or the women's, and remember they're going to cost you $6, and then use 2 of the 50-cent off internet printable coupons from speedstick.com, and $1 off of any deodorant CRT, That'll knock your total out of pocket down to just $4, but you'll receive a $2 extra buck reward, making your final cost for both of these deodorants just $2 or $1 each. And just a heads up guys, if you don't have access to a printer or maybe you hit your limit on that SpeedStick internet printable coupon, there's also a 50% off of SpeedStick insert coupon found in the Smart Source from April 26th. Anyways, suppose you guys had a $2 off of 6 deodorant CRT, you can use that along with your 2 internet printable coupons or insert coupons, and you'll be able to pick up both of these deodorants for just $3, but you'll get back a $2 extra buck reward at the end of your purchase, making your final cost just $1 or 50 cents each. Now we also have a great deal on the Garnier products, starting off with the Garnier Fructis, which are on sale 2 for $7, and if you buy 2, you'll get a $2 extra buck. So if you were to pick up 2 of the shampoo and conditioners you want to get between the 12 and the 13 ounce, that'll cost you $7, but we have a $3 off of 2 Garnier Fructis insert coupon found in our Retail Me Not from April 26th. After this coupon, your total out of pocket will be just $4, but you'll receive a $2 extra buck back, making your final cost just $2 or $1 each. And we also have a wonderful deal on the Garnier Whole Blends, which are also on sale 2 for $7, and when you buy 2, you'll get a $2 extra buck. So if you picked up 2 of the Whole Blends shampoo or conditioners, the 12.5 ounce, and used a $3 off of 2 Whole Blends insert coupon found in the Retail Me Not from April 26th, your total out of pocket will be just $4, but you're going to be receiving a $2 extra buck back at the end of your purchase, making your final cost just $2 or $1 each. So our L'Oreal Elvive deal is back this week for buy 2 and get a $4 extra buck, and they're also on sale 2 for $8. So if you picked up 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioners for $8, and then used a $3 off of 2 L'Oreal Elvive internet printable coupon from inboxdollars.com, your total out of pocket will be just $5, but you'll get back a $4 extra buck reward, making your final cost just $8 or 50 cents each. And just a heads up guys, this $3 off of 2 L'Oreal Elvive coupon is also available as a digital coupon in the app and as an insert coupon in the Retail Me Not from April 26th. But I would always recommend to print from inboxdollars.com because you literally get paid for it. And just in case you aren't signed up yet, you can sign up with the link I have in the description box and you'll get a $5 sign up bonus. Anyways, for anybody who has a $3 off of 15 hair care CRT, what you can do is actually combine these 2 deals and pick up 2 of the L'Oreal Elvives for $8 and 2 of the Garnier for $7. You can either get the Whole Blends or the Fructis, and all 4 of these will cost you $15. But you want to use your $3 off of 15 hair care CRT, a $3 off of 2 L'Oreal Elvive internet printable coupon, and a $3 off of 2 Garnier insert coupon. And just so you guys know, these Garnier insert coupons can be found in the Retail Me Not insert coupon from April 26th or May 3rd. So after all of these coupons, your out of pocket will be just $6, but you're going to be getting back $6 in extra bucks, $4 for the L'Oreal Elvive and 2 from the Garnier, making your final cost for all 4 of these shampoo and conditioners completely free. Moving on to our cosmetics deals, we're going to start off with our CoverGirl Cosmetics, which are on promotion for buy 2 and get a $7 extra buck. So if you were to pick up 2 of the brow pencils priced at $5.99 each, 2 of them will cost you $11.98, but you can use a $3 off of 12 Cosmetics CRT and 2 of the $3 off CoverGirl Eye internet printable coupons from inboxdollars.com. After these coupons, your total out of pocket will be just $2.98, but you'll get back a $7 extra buck reward, making your final cost completely free and a $4 moneymaker. And just a heads up guys, these CoverGirl coupons are available in our CVS app as a digital, and they can also be found in our Smart Source insert coupons from May 3rd. Anyways, if you didn't want to get 2 brow pencils, another option which you can do is to pick up one of the brow pencils and one of the cheekers. So both of these products will cost you $12.28, but you can use your $3 off of 12 Cosmetics CRT, a $3 off of CoverGirl Eye internet printable coupon, and a $3 off of Face internet printable coupon. After these 3 coupons, your total out of pocket will be $3.28, but you'll be receiving a $7 extra buck reward, making your final cost for both of these completely free and a $3.72 moneymaker. So the last deal that I have to share with you guys this week is on the Maybelline cosmetics, which are on promotion for buy 2 and get a $5 extra buck. So if you picked up 2 of the Expert Wear eyeshadows priced at $4.19 each, both of them will cost $8.38, but you want to use a $5 off of Maybelline or Aleve Insert CRT, which printed for everybody starting April 26th. And after this coupon, your total out-of-pocket will be just $3.38, but you'll get back a $5 extra buck reward, making your final cost completely free and a $1.62 moneymaker. And if you didn't want to pick up these eyeshadows, another option which you could do is to pick up one of the Great Lash mascaras and the Fit Me blush. Both of these products will cost you $12.98, but you want to use a $3 off of 12 Cosmetics CRT, a $2 off of Maybelline mascara insert coupon from the Retail Me Not on May 3rd, and a $2 off of Maybelline face insert coupon found again in the Retail Me Not from May 3rd. After these coupons, your total out-of-pocket will be just $5.98, but you'll get back a $5 extra buck reward, making your final cost for both of these a freebie and a moneymaker. Or if you still have your $5 off of Maybelline or Aleve insert coupon, you can use that too and get these items for completely free and a $4 moneymaker. So if you guys know of any other great CVS deals that will be going on, definitely share it with us in the comments down below, that way we can all do it too. And actually, starting May 3rd at that Redbox machine, everybody is expected to be printed a $10 off of a $30 purchase for any Maybelline, Garnier, or L'Oreal products. So I put together a deal using this coupon where you guys can pick up your products for completely free and a $9 moneymaker. So I'm working on that video right now, so keep an eye out for that, and I will have it linked in the description box down below once that's completed. Alright guys, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my video, and as always, if you enjoyed this, show me by giving a big thumbs up down below. And if you're not subscribed already, consider doing that, and if you are subscribed, ring that bell so you never miss out on any of my future uploads. Alright guys, thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time.